What in nature makes you feel inspired? What in nature gives you that sense of belonging, of that sense of place? What makes you say like, this is just a beautiful place? These are the type of questions that a lot of researchers are trying to address, but they're really intangible, those answers. So in my work, I'm trying to apply many different methodologies to identify what is in nature that is driving those intangible benefits. When we are listening to nature, it can trigger many cognitive and emotional responses. So one of the methodologies that I use to answer those questions is soundscapes.